Well, I went ahead, fitted all the doors back in, wired the tweeter, and we're looking good. Way definitely better than the Infinity grey one. It just literally matches with black and blue. It just looks perfect. Lovely, lovely. Right. The main thing, did it sound good? We shall find that out soon. So, my battery is a bit dead. Oh no, not good. Not good. Actually, 2 seconds. I need to bring my phone. So, it's back on, and I have to say, this does sound definitely much better. Well, this is, I've got a sub in as well at the moment, but it's quite turned down.
You see that ass drop? 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 Raise your hands up, raise your hands up, raise your hands up, raise your hands up.
But I haven't set any equalizers on or nothing. Let's see what it's playing at the moment actually. Front 25 at 12 slope. No, I'm gonna leave it at 25. Rear, I've done her rears anyway. Subwoofer, Yeti, -12. Right. It's off, everything is off. Flat equalizer too. Right, subwoofer, speaker level. Let's ramp up the subwoofer a little bit. Let's see what it's gonna be like with a sub all the way up. Let's get another tune. No. Yeah, they definitely do the job 2 times better than what they did before. I'll tell you. Nice. Nice. Let's see if we can get some flex on. Some movement.
After all you put me through, I think I just
Need to find a nice tune. Be blurred out, so I'm really sorry, but honestly the quality is like 2 times better. Another thing what I did is, you remember there was a hole in that end of the speaker what I had to cut out before. Basically I put the sound end in there just to cover up that patch. And I didn't put any sound in on the door. I'm going to be doing that in a separate video in a separate day because I want to sound in the full door properly. Yes, I know, I'm sorry. I do recommend for everybody to get some sound in, but I haven't got it. But now don't worry, I'm getting it. So it is coming. It is coming. Right, let's put another track on.
I'm going out, hitting downtown late tonight. Gonna dance, gonna move and trip the light. You see the man with the music in his hand. Think you're gonna show me up just because they can. Stars from the disco lights shine bright. The sun is pumping and the party's out of sight. So listen up to what the DJ is the beat.
Mama shorty said I'm loco and I'm crazy. I said, baby, I just wanna be amazing. A rap superstar like Jay-Z, a club rapper, rap style blazing. More vodka, more party. I love drunk girls, some Bacardi, Sean Baker, and call quit. Now how much better than that? Cause we can rock this club, baby, tonight's our night. We ain't here to show and prove, we just gonna blow it out of sight. DJ tell it loud. This club, electrify, let's make love music.
But yeah, let's not burn it all. And yeah, I'm very pleased with what I've done today. So from 8 ohm down to 2 ohm, changed the ground zero. Come on, focus, you little thing. That beauty there got put in. And you know what, I definitely saved that speaker from getting binned, and it is just perfect for what I needed. So yeah, good job done today. And 14.1, I believe it was dropping to about 13.2 when it was at the loudest. I'm quite happy with the setup what I have at the moment, but I am going to be putting a separate battery, definitely second battery, because I haven't got one at the moment. All I've got is I've got one 10 ampere battery, and to be honest, it's not even brand new, it's used. And the stock alternator, which I believe in this one it's either 120 amp or 140. I haven't had a look at it properly, but I'm gonna have a look at it when I get to the power sorting out. So, but yeah, there's the beauties. And how look how nice tight fit I've got there. Because any further, I would be hitting the seat. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this one, and I definitely have. I haven't heard my proper sound system in a while now, since it's getting just parked up and not getting used anymore. And so it floats it, and it's nice once in a while get it on and give it a proper listen. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I will be back with more updates about my silver E46, the base box. Ta-ra, catch you later.